Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we would like to have some tests and trials for printing numbers in various field widths. So as you can see in this example in here that we have an integer value of 12345 and a floating point value of 1.2345. Now we want to print these two numbers using different field widths, 10 and 10 for both of these numbers, and then 9, and then a 9 field widths, and then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's go and see the effect of different field widths on these two numbers. Let's go and run the program. And now as you can see that for the integer number, since we have 5 digits, but we have used a field width of 10, and then 10 spaces or 10 columns are reserved, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the rest 5 numbers. 10 columns have been reserved. For the floating point number as well, 10 columns have been reserved, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the default number for printing the precession and the floating point number is always 6, so that 6 has been used as default for all of these numbers. So as you can see, when we have a field width that is larger than the number, then we have this alignment on the left side of the number. And once we reach a point that we have a field width that's smaller than the number of digits for each one of these integer and floating point numbers, you can see that these integer and floating point numbers, they will not be cut short. Instead, they will force their way to take as many columns as they need. So using a field width of 1 or 2 is not going to restrict this 5-digit number from printing, and it will force its way to print properly. And even the precession, the default 6 number of precession for the floating point number is going to be printed as well. And that's how the field widths, the various field widths, the shorter field widths and the longer field widths work with numbers. And that's it for this episode. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.